Hey guys, welcome back. So if I have 30 boxes full of 20 chocolates each, how many chocolates are there with me? So to solve this, we are going to do two-digit multiplications. Yes. So now for doing two-digit multiplication, we are going to use our abacus for TD multiplication. Okay. So let's get started. So now we are going to multiply two-digit with two digits. Okay. So 6 9s are 54. 6 5s are 30. So here 3 and 0. So the friend of 3 is 2 down, 5 down, and here 0. Now multiplying 7 with both of these numbers, we are going to start this digit number from 9th row. Okay. So 7 9s are 63. So friend of 6 is 4, and the friend of 4 is 1. So 1 up, 5 up, 10 up, and here 3. 7 5s are 35. 30 and 5. So our answer is 6365. Okay. Now 5 with 4. 20, 5 4s are 20. 5 8 2 0. 5 8s are 4 0. 40. 8 4s are 32. Starting from here. So the friend of 3 is 2 down, 5 down, and here 2. 8 8s are 64. 64. So our answer is 2784. Same way, 6 7s are 42. 6 9s are 54. Again 6 7s are 42. Starting from this row. Okay. So 6 7s are 42. Friend of 4 is 6. So, and a friend of 6 down, 10 down. Okay. Now, and 2. 6 9s are 50. So here already we have 5. So the friend of 5 is 5 only. So 10 up, 5 up, and 4. So our answer is 5214.